Hello and welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how much YouTube pays me for 100,000 views, and here are some of my basic channel stats. And the majority of my visitors are from India, as you can see here, 17%, and then United States 16.5%, and so forth. My channel is related to webmastering, like website building, SEO, marketing, and things like that. And so for 100,000 views, I'm getting about $1,500 with CPM rate of $17. So for 1,000 monetized views, I get about $17. And here are the top countries paying me the most. Of course, is United States, and then followed by other top English speaking countries. Alright, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any other of my channel stats, and be sure to subscribe for more future earning updates. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.